Hey guys, Dave Dale, United Country Real Estate. Come on in, check out my new listing, 1962 6th Street. Gas fireplace welcoming you. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, perfect for entertaining, main floor. Kitchen, great flow, great countertops, updated appliances, great backyard, practice your chipping. Perfect place for enjoying sunsets, barbecuing for friends and family. Already got the conduit set up for your gas fireplace or fire pit or gas barbecue. Easy flow back into the house. Take the party right on out to the garage or back upstairs for the living areas. Follow me on up there. Okay guys, spacious master right at the top of the stairs. Lots of storage. Big bathroom. Everybody likes the dual vanities. Big soaker tub. Nice stand-up shower. And my favorite, walk-in closet with his and her sides. Back across the hall, every bedroom's got storage galore. We've got another bathroom dedicated for both of these 2 bedrooms. Laundry room, bedroom, and both with huge closets. Every single spot in this house has more storage and more closets. Thank you guys so much for coming and checking out the house with us. Can't wait to see you on my next listing. And if you need more information on this one, don't be afraid to give me a call, 208-310-0855. And as always, can't thank you enough.